Well, since I had to come down to wash off the snow off the satellite dish so I could check the local whatever, right? It sure is pretty. I mean, look at Johnny's rig. I love it. Seeing the monster truck covered in snow. I love that. It's so pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look how big those flakes are. Can you guys see how big that shit is? Look, 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 look. You can see it falling out of the sky. It's so ginormous. Look at the size of these flakes. Can you see? Watch. Let me catch some. Come on, sucker witch. Oh, it's getting on the phone. Ah! Did you see how big that flake was? They're huge. That flake was like an inch in diameter. I've never seen snow fall this fat. I swear to you, I've never seen snow fall out of the sky so fucking fat. Watch, you ready? It's gonna fuck up the camera, but watch. I can't believe this. They're huge. That's fucking snowflakes. Are you kidding me? Ah, I shit you not. They're fucking huge. Look. There's Johnny's caddy, all tucked away. There's a fucking monster truck getting buried by the second. This is so cool. It is. It's picturesque, as they say. Who wants to come by a beautiful house in the fucking snow? And I'm talking the real fucking snow today. How fucking cool is that? All right, all right, all right. Enough is enough. My babies. I got babies inside waiting for me. Peace.